Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make tofu slices that tastes like roti naan. Hope you like it. Roti naan is a flatbread that's a beloved part of Malaysian cuisine and represents the country's rich culinary heritage. Naan is made primarily from white flour or wheat flour and a leavening agent, usually yeast, which results in the formation of air pockets in the dough that impart fluffiness and softness. Today's recipe tastes and texture are similar to roti naan, but it comes with bean fragrance when you chew on it. This tofu pancake is not greasy at all, so it is healthier and you can make it at home anytime. It's great! Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients are just tofu. Remove tofu from casing. Mash tofu thoroughly with forks. Baking tray cover with baking paper. Pour in the tofu paste and spread it flat, the thinner the better. Sprinkle your favorite seasoning powder. I use Cajun seasoning for this recipe. Optional to add chili powder, just add according to your own preference, yeah. Tofu paste is ready to go into oven. Roast at 160 degrees for 30 minutes. Let's check it out. Smells so good. Tofu flatbread looks good. Take it out carefully and avoid touching the baking tray because it is very hot just out of the oven. Let me show you how the bottom side looks like. Doesn't it look alike with roti naan too? Okay, roast it for a longer period if you like crunchy texture. This tofu pancake is delicious and slightly spicy. It's also great to eat it as is or to wrap ingredients in a burrito. By the way, if you are looking for tofu recipes, welcome to check out my tofu recipe playlist where there are 130 delicious tofu recipes available to date. I found some information about tofu on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Tofu also contains all the essential amino acids your body needs and is rich in minerals and vitamins, including calcium, manganese, iron, and vitamin A. Tofu and other soy foods also are primary source of isoflavones. Those are flavonoids, plant-created chemicals that are associated with a variety of health benefits. Incorporating tofu into your daily meals and snacks can bring several health benefits. These benefits include brain health promotion, ease of menopause symptoms, and heart disease prevention. Eating tofu has some risks, as it might lead to digestive issues or interact with certain medications like MAOIs. Does tofu detox your body? Not only tofu is an excellent source of protein and fiber and is low in fat, but you can even learn how to make tofu taste like chicken, which makes it an excellent detoxing option. Is tofu bad for cholesterol? Sigh. Eating soybeans and foods made from them, like tofu and soy milk, was once touted as a powerful way to lower cholesterol. Analyses show that the effect is more modest. Consuming 25 grams of soy protein a day, 10 ounces of tofu or 2.5 cups of soy milk can lower LDL by 5% to 6%. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.